Check this out. This isn't just a phone case, it's a Game Boy. Xiaomi's new flagship, the Xiaomi 17 Pro and Pro Max, has a secondary screen on the back, and the Xiaomi made a wild accessory for it, the Netro handheld console case. The core purpose is to provide a nostalgic, tactical gaming experience that utilizes the phone secondary screen like this. So this is the box. As you can see, they have mentioned Xiaomi 17 Pro, and also they have Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, this handheld console case. And the price is same for both models. So let's unbox it and let's see how it works. Here is the box. It's simple, fitting for quickly accessories. Let's see inside. Okay, inside we have the case itself. Ooh, which is a solid. You also get this paper. Oh, you also get a tiny cable for charging the case. We can charge the case. It also has its own 200 mAh battery, so it's not draining your phone's main battery life. Xiaomi also claims this little battery is good for up to 40 days of standby. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, let's... Nice. Whoa. It becomes a little heavier with this. So we have a tactical D-pad and the classical 4-button layouts A, B, X, Y, and your start and select button, and also the power button. And crucially, there are two cutouts. This is for the ultra wide camera and the flashlight, and also the camera lenses and the frame cutout for the rear screen. It automatically aligns the controls perfectly with the screen on the back. I'm so excited to see how it works, just like you guys. So we just need to hold down this dedicated game launcher button on this case, power, and just like that, the main screen goes off, and this dynamic back display instantly switches to our dedicated gaming UI. This is a privacy notification. Press A and complete privacy authorization on the front display first. Okay. If we need to select the game, we need to just press A to confirm. And the AI is simple, seriously. The dedicated to game optimization of this tiny screen looks nice. So let's try one of the game, like a classic Snake, this one. It only has 4 games, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. The gameplay experience is surprisingly solid. The buttons have good travel and feel tactile. The phone is comfortable to hold sideways like this, This small screen is a OLED panel and it looks nice because of the colors are vibrant and the blacks are deep. But you have to see this space is covered by these two lenses, so we only have this space to play the games. And I'm going to play one more game, which is the last game. This is the Angry Bird 2 and I wanted to see how it works. This is not a complex game at all. So guys, you have to notice the camera lenses here. They do particularly obstruct the view of the screen depending on the game, and which is a big design compromise. Another quick tip: if you try to wirelessly charge the phone, you will need to take the case off because it physically blocks the wireless call. And I have this cable and I wanted to see does it really works. It's very easy. I have the power bank, so it started charging because the green light turns red. No, it's already red. Oh no, it's green and now it's red because of the charging. And where we can see, I think, no, we cannot see over here about the charging of this case, but here we can see. So what is the true purpose of this case? It serves two major roles. First, it's brilliantly party trick, a fun, innovative use for the secondary screen that makes the phone stand out. And the second, it's more practical. It's a battery saver for quick, simple gaming sessions like during a commute or when you are just waiting. You don't need to fire up the main high power 120Hz display. You conserve battery while still having physical control. So overall, for about $42, if you can import one from China, because I'm living in China, so I have spent $42 for this case, and the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max also $42. And this is an awesome quickly gadget. It's not a gaming resolution, but it's a nostalgic, functional and super cool use for a secondary display. What do you think? Is this a must buy or just a fun gimmick? But let me tell you one thing, before buying this I was worrying if we put this in our pocket and it can turn on automatically and it can waste our phone battery. But thank God it has its own battery, 200 milliamp hour, and it needs to power it up and then it turn on. However, if you don't have the battery in the case, you still can use the phone, okay? And it can also protect the phone. It's solid. So let me know in the comment if you like this video, and please consider to subscribe to this channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.